In order to be approved for Social Security disability, it's not about proving that you can't do your past jobs. You need to be able to prove that you can't do any work at all. That means not just the work you used to do, but any job that exists in significant numbers in the entire United States. There are a couple of important exceptions to that rule. The first is if you meet one of Social Security's listings. Listings are medical conditions with very specific criteria, and if your condition meets or equals the listing, you're automatically considered disabled. In that situation, Social Security never looks at whether you can do your past work or other work. The second big exception is for people over the age of 50. Once you turn 50, Social Security applies something called the Medical Vocational Rules, or the GRIDs. These rules recognize that older workers may have a harder time switching to new jobs. So if you can't go back to your past work and your physical capacity is limited, for example, if you're restricted to light or sedentary work, you may still be found disabled even if technically there are some other jobs you could do. But for most people under 50, the standard is tough. You have to show that based on your medical limitations, you wouldn't be able to keep any full-time work on a consistent basis. That's why documentation of your symptoms, your limitations, and how often you'd be off task or absent is so important. So let me ask you, are you under 50 or over 50? Tell me which category you're in and I'll tell you how the rules might apply to you.